Hi there guys, Thoniverse here, born and raised in the Philippines, and at the same time, living right now in my lovely hometown which is Cebu, the heart of the country. It is a breathtaking opportunity that I live here in the land of promise, which is one of the best places on earth to travel with, and the most friendly people, which is there is so much to offer. Alright, so right now, based on the places that I have traveled with so far, this will be my top 5 best places to visit here in the Philippines. Number 5. Iligan. Iligan is known as a city of majestic waterfalls in southern part of the country, which consists of 24 waterfalls. The good thing about Iligan is you can travel in a budget to the most breathtaking waterfalls, and mostly are accessible nearby highway and main roads, so it's convenient and hassle-free. Every waterfall is unique and delicate. Some are risky, some are not. Afterwards, the reward is really appreciated. Sad but true, generally, most of the people, even locals here in the Philippines, say southern part of the country or Mindanao is scary and dangerous, since it is a Muslim-infested area. But as you all know, it's not. Here's the thing. Basically, if you travel with precautions and think in advance how to plan your trip, well, your travel will be safe and sound. Apparently, I didn't regret at the time I first traveled to Mindanao as directly to Iligan. I know it's risky, but I am so proud of myself that I had visited one of the best places in the Philippines, and for me, it is a legacy. Number 4. Alegria and Badian Canyoneering. Alegria and Badian is both municipalities of southern Cebu, which is my hometown. When you say Cebu, it is known the Queen City of South and second biggest city of the Philippines next to Manila. Canyoneering has to be one of the most exciting and daring adventures not only in Cebu but anywhere in the Philippines. There are quite a few ways to experience this attraction, but all of them guarantee you have a thrilling day surrounded by some of the most beautiful natural scenery you've ever seen. This makes this tour the ultimate way to visit one of Cebu's most famous landmarks. The canyoneering track starts around 10 a.m. and takes roughly 4 hours to complete. First, it begins with a cliff jump into a deep pool of water, just a perfect way to get your adrenaline pumping right off the bat. You'll then have to walk and swim through a series of smaller streams and waterfalls, but still, it involves quite a bit of effort. Anyways, you experience superb action that makes your day a way of satisfaction. Number 3. Coron, Palawan. As we all know, Palawan is one of the most beautiful islands in the world. However, I choose Coron at number 3 based on my experience. Since the time we arrived, unfortunately, there's a typhoon already spread over across Palawan, and probably the tours will be cancelled that day. Yet, we experienced a terrible trip and failed an itinerary. But great to hear, there's a news that the weather is calm for tomorrow, so the plan continues by next day. Experience the waves crashing onto a sugar white beach, palms swaying, a gentle breeze, and the most stunning blues you've ever seen. But for all its natural beauty, Coron is more than just a pretty tropical paradise. The place is a must-visit with blessed rich marine life, endemic flora and fauna, and magnificent landscape. With its stunning limestone cliffs, pristine white sand beaches, picturesque lagoons and lakes, amazing underwater shipwrecks and reefs. The place imprints an edible beauty to everyone who falls to its unique charm, but at the same time, has kept pieces of paradise unspoiled and intact. Number 2. El Nido, Palawan. El Nido has some of the most beautiful scenery we have ever encountered, same to Coron's preferences and features. This cluster of islands is off the tip of the Palawan Island. It's full of dramatic rock formations and surrounded by bright blue waters. Accessing El Nido has become much easier in recent years. El Nido is known as the Philippines' last frontier, and if you're looking for magnificent beaches in an unspoiled setting, it's a perfect place for you to vacation. There's a reason why Palawan was named the best island in the world by Condé Nast Traveler for straight 2 years. It is truly a paradise. The destination has breathtaking underwater sceneries and spectacular islands to boast, so in order not to miss such beauty, make sure to do a weather check before coming to this destination. There's nothing quite like Palawan, from emerald green islands to the deepest blue seas, briny white sand beaches and the most fiery sunsets. It's overwhelmingly beautiful everywhere you look. Lastly, number 1. Siargao. Siargao is an island located off the northeast coast of Mindanao. It is within the jurisdiction of Surigao del Norte province. From Manila, it takes 2 hours plane trip with PAL and Cebu Pacific, then 1 hour if from Cebu going to the island. If by ship also, it takes approximately 14 hours since you need to get a ferry from Surigao Seaport going to the island. Siargao is known today as a surfing mecca in the Philippines and known as Little Hawaii, a place where thrill seekers the world over gather to ride the waves. Siargao is their simple, non-assuming hometown with vast swaths of coconut farms, thick mangroves, and secluded coves. Siargao is composed of 48 islands and islets divided into 9 municipalities. First is Burgos, Dapa, the capital of the island, Del Carmen, which is the airport located, General Luna, the surf town, Pilar, San Benito, San Isidro, Santa Monica, and lastly Socorro. With these spots, there is so much to offer that you're gonna be excited because the place is majestic every time you take a step to travel with the popular itineraries. Cloud 9, the ride-breaking reef wave with a thick hollow tube is one of the best known surf spots in the country. You can do island hopping, swimming with stingless jellyfish, take a deep swim through the natural rock pools, dive and jump to the pleasant scenery lagoons, swim beneath the caves and awesome rivers within the island. Siargao in the Philippines is a water lover and general adventurer's dream, a surfer's paradise with a playful soul to it. It's also a place that evolves a lot as one travels through it. That's why I choose Siargao at top of the best places I traveled with so far. Thanks for watching guys. If you have questions regarding how's my travel and everything, just ping me up in the description down below. It's my Instagram link and Facebook. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and subscribe. Keep the vibes open and keep safe always. Peace.